Alright, so once you register now, you get a platform like this or your back office. So what you would do for here now is first you come here. Alright, then you will see MetaTrader, you will see trade. Sometimes you may not see the MetaTrader, but first, if you don't see the MetaTrader, you click on trade. Alright, once that load for you, you come to MetaTrader, you click on it. Then you now scroll down to this section where you see open account. You click on it. Now you come to this section, you check, you will see Meta MT4 cent. All right, because you're creating a cent account, you click on it. Then you click on open trading account. When you click on it, they will tell you successful, and the trading account details will be sent to your email. Now once that is done, you come back to this place. You are seeing re-account at this top here. For you to verify your details, you click there. Then you come to my profile, you click on it. Then you scroll to your right, you will see verification. You click on it. So on this section, you can verify your email, verify your phone number. Then in place of identity, you will need your national ID card or driver's license or international passport, any of the valid ID card you have. Then you will upload it, make sure it's clear and it's readable. Then the place of proof of address, you will need a bank statement in this section. That is the best proof of address you can upload. Your bank statement, and the bank statement has to bear the same address that is on it. So the address will be the address you will put in the place of address. The address that is on your bank statement. You can request for a bank statement from your bank, then they will forward it to you. Then you have your account verified. It's very easy. Once you upload these details, they will verify your account for you today.